Hello, Daniel. How are you today?
Hello, Emma. I am doing very well today. I feel happy, relaxed, and excited to practice English speaking with you.
That is wonderful to hear. Can you tell me where you are from?
Yes, of course. I am from a beautiful country where people are friendly, hardworking, and very welcoming to visitors.
That sounds very interesting. Why are you learning English these days?
I am learning English because it is an international language that helps people communicate and connect with others around the world.
Do you practice English speaking every day?
Yes, I try to practice English every day by speaking with friends, watching English videos, and reading simple books.
That is a very good habit. What do you usually do when you wake up in the morning?
When I wake up in the morning, I usually brush my teeth, drink a cup of coffee, and prepare myself for the day.
Do you like drinking coffee in the morning?
Yes, I enjoy drinking coffee because it helps me feel more energetic and ready to start my daily activities.
What do you usually do after drinking your coffee?
After drinking my coffee, I usually check my messages, read the news, and plan my work for the day.
That sounds like a productive morning routine. What do you do for work?
I work as a teacher, and I enjoy helping students learn new knowledge and improve their skills.
Do you enjoy your job as a teacher?
Yes, I really enjoy my job because teaching allows me to share knowledge and inspire students to learn more.
What do you usually do after you finish your work?
After work, I usually go home, relax for a while, and sometimes watch television or read a book.
Do you like watching movies during your free time?
Yes, watching movies is one of my favorite activities because it helps me relax and also improve my listening skills.
What kind of movies do you usually watch?
I usually watch action movies and adventure movies because they are exciting and entertaining.
Who is your favorite movie actor?
My favorite actor is Tom Cruise because he performs many exciting roles and always gives great performances.
Do you also enjoy listening to music?
Yes, I enjoy listening to music because it helps me relax and improves my mood.
What kind of music do you like the most?
I like calm and relaxing music because it helps me concentrate when I am studying or reading.
Do you like reading books during your free time?
Yes, reading books is one of my favorite hobbies because books help me learn new ideas and improve my vocabulary.
What kind of books do you enjoy reading?
I enjoy reading history books and personal development books because they teach valuable lessons about life.
Do you enjoy traveling to different places?
Yes, I enjoy traveling because it allows me to explore new cities, meet new people, and learn about different cultures.
Where would you like to travel in the future?
In the future, I would like to travel to many countries and experience different traditions and lifestyles.
Do you like meeting new people when you travel?
Yes, meeting new people is very interesting because I can learn different perspectives and ideas.
What do you usually do on weekends?
On weekends, I usually spend time with my family, relax at home, and practice my English speaking skills.
Do you like playing sports in your free time?
Yes, I enjoy playing sports because they help me stay healthy and active.
What sport do you like the most?
My favorite sport is football because it is exciting and very popular around the world.
Do you play football often with your friends?
Yes, whenever we have free time on weekends, my friends and I enjoy playing football together.
Do you enjoy spending time outdoors?
Yes, I enjoy outdoor activities because fresh air and sunshine help me feel refreshed and happy.
What do you usually do when the weather is sunny?
When the weather is sunny, I like to go for a walk in the park or spend time outside.
What is the weather like today where you live?
Today, the weather is warm and sunny, which makes it a very pleasant and comfortable day.
Do you enjoy sunny weather more than rainy weather?
Yes, I prefer sunny weather because it allows me to enjoy outdoor activities.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
For breakfast, I usually eat bread, eggs, fruit, and drink a cup of coffee.
Do you like cooking food at home?
Yes, sometimes I cook food at home because homemade food is healthy and delicious.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is grilled chicken with rice and vegetables because it tastes very delicious.
Do you enjoy going to restaurants?
Yes, I enjoy visiting restaurants because I can try new dishes and enjoy meals with friends.
What do you usually order when you go to a restaurant?
I usually order chicken, rice, salad, and a glass of fresh juice.
Do you like shopping for things that you need?
Yes, I like shopping because it helps me buy useful things for my daily life.
Where do you usually go shopping?
I usually go to the supermarket because it has many products and affordable prices.
How do you improve your English speaking skills?
I improve my English by watching English videos, reading books, listening to podcasts, and practicing conversations.
Do you enjoy learning new languages besides English?
Yes, learning languages is interesting because it helps me communicate with many people around the world.
What is your goal in learning English?
My goal is to speak English fluently and confidently in conversations with people from different countries.
Do you think practicing conversations helps improve speaking skills?
Yes, practicing conversations regularly is one of the best ways to improve speaking confidence and fluency.
Do you enjoy practicing English with other people?
Yes, practicing with other people helps me learn faster and understand different accents.
What advice would you give to people who want to learn English?
I would advise them to practice every day, listen carefully, read often, and never be afraid to speak English.
That is very good advice. Do you feel more confident speaking English now?
Yes, I feel much more confident because regular practice helps me improve my speaking ability.
Do you think daily practice is important for learning a language?
Yes, daily practice is very important because it helps us remember new words and improve our communication skills.